The Honor X9C is a durable mid-range smartphone praised for its exceptional toughness with triple defense against drops, water, and scratches. A 108 megapixel camera with OIS and a large 6600 mAh battery. It features a high refresh rate AMOLED display with high peak brightness, 5G connectivity, and 66-watt fast charging, running on a Snapdragon 6th Generation 1 processor with Magic OS 8.0 based on Android 14. While its performance is suitable for general use and light gaming, some reviewers note the processor is trade-off for its otherwise premium features, making it a balanced option for users prioritizing durability and battery life over high-end gaming performance. Key features and performance. Durability. The phone's main highlight is its triple defense system, offering significant resistance to drops up to 2 meters. Water IP65 rating and scratches, making it exceptionally tough. Display. It boasts a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with a 1.5K resolution, 120 Hz refresh rate, and a very high 4000 nits peak brightness for excellent visibility. Processor. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6th Generation 1, the phone handles everyday tasks like social media and light gaming well, but is not suited for heavy gaming. Battery. The large 6600 mAh battery provides excellent longevity, with some users reporting it can last over 3 days with moderate usage. Charging. It supports 66-watt fast charging, allowing for quick power-ups. Camera. The triple camera setup includes a 108 megapixels main sensor with OIS, a 5 megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 16 megapixel front camera, performing well in various lighting conditions, especially for vlogging and outdoor shots. Strengths. Exceptional durability. The triple defense system provides unmatched toughness for a smartphone. Vibrant display. The high resolution AMOLED screen with a high refresh rate and peak brightness offers a premium viewing experience. Long battery life. The substantial 6600 mAh battery ensures users can go for extended periods without needing to charge. Strong camera. The 108 megapixel main camera with OIS delivers capable photography and videography. Considerations. Processor performance. While adequate for daily tasks, the Snapdragon 6th Generation 1 chipset is not ideal for high-end gaming, and some suggest it is a compromise at its price point. Price versus specs. Some reviews suggest that while the phone is very tough, the processor might be a bit underwhelming compared to other specs for the price. Overall, the Honor X9C is a compelling option for users who prioritize a durable, long-lasting smartphone with a great display and camera for everyday use and vlogging rather than intensive mobile gaming. Thank you.